Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your door lock. As you can see here, so this is malfunction. You know why? See this. Okay, so after all troubleshooting I have decided to change this lock, so that's why I have purchased similar defiant keyed entry. Okay, so the very first thing, if you analyze this, how it's held at its position, there are two screws here, one here, and there are two here. So using a screwdriver we are going to take that off. So I took the first screw out from here. Okay, I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. So both of the front screws are out. So with this I could take this off right away. Still I need to take the whole structure out. Okay, so for that I need to remove the screws at this side also. So I'm gonna do this. So next I'm gonna remove the screws, these two screws here, okay, using the same screwdriver. So now this is also completed and I took the plug out from here and this out. So this is the hole in the door, and these are the three components that have come across. So this goes inside, this in that gap, and this from the front side where you have the key also, key slot also. So now I'm gonna keep these aside. Fine, screws I can reuse, or if they have given, most probably they have given, so I can use the new ones. Why would I use old one? So I'm gonna open this pack now. Okay, so this is what I have got. Two keys. This is standard. Okay, they have given us a whole combination. Okay, this is for outside, this is for inside, and this already attached there, screws, and this. Okay, so let's start putting it in place. Follow the same process. First I put it in here, and next was to push it through. So when you push it through, make sure, let me show you, make sure it fits well into the holes that are given. You see, it should meet all the it should pass through the holes. Okay, if not, you'll have a trouble later. You just need to push the correct slots. I mean, you need to attach them nicely, and then it almost fixes. Okay, now it's almost fixes and it's at its place. Now the next step we have to do is to push the screws in. So two here, two there. First screw is done. One important thing, like, it's important that you hold both of these together. So if you want, you can take help from second person too, because screw is gonna push force, and if it is not at the place, it may push it back down, right? So that's why it should be held firmly. Now once the first screw is firmly tightened, it's ready to use, right? It's ready to use now. But we'll do for second screw also, but this time it's gonna be easy. So guys, at the end